Okay, today we have to talk about the differential equation and terminology related to a differential equation. So first, what is a differential equation? A differential equation is an equation involving a differentiable function and one or more of its derivative. The first thing is to be a differentiable function. Mean if we have a function y which is f of x, mean this y is my dependent variable which depend on x, which is independent variable, and this depend variable are basically my function must be a differentiable, and it consists of its first derivative or more, means second derivative or third derivative, and the combination of these dependent variable and dependent variable, its first derivative or more, is commonly called a differential equation. If you take an example like y double prime minus 5y prime plus 4y is equal to 0. So this equation consists of a function, a differential function y, its first order derivative and its second, and the combination of these equations is called a differential equation. Okay, move towards the order of a differential equation. Order of differential equation is simply the order of highest derivative. Order of highest derivative. In previous example, we have y double prime minus 5y prime plus 4y is equal to 0. It means if I'm also writing this equation like that, d square y divided by dx square minus 5 dy divided by dx plus 4y is equal to 0. Now the highest derivative is here is that one. So this highest derivative is basically my order. So the order of this differential equation is 2. If you take another example, that y prime minus y is equal to 0. So the order of this differential equation is 1 because here is the highest derivative is first. So the order of this differential equation is 1. Now move towards the degree of the differential equation. So it's basically the power of the highest order derivative. Power of highest order derivative. What does it mean? So look to the power of the differential equation by an example. If we have example y double prime cube plus 5y prime whole 5 minus 6y is equal to 0. Now first, what is the order? So simply here highest derivative is 2 up to 2, so its order is 2. Now what is the degree of this differential equation? So here the power of highest derivative, which is 3, and the power of first derivative, which is 5. So if you look to the definition, so here is the degree is basically the power of highest derivative. So my highest derivative is 2 and its power is 3. So the degree of this differential equation is 3. If you look to another example, that y double prime minus 6y prime square is equal to 0. So the order of this differential equation is simply 2, but the degree of this differential equation is 1. So this is simply the order and the degree of a differential equation. Now move towards the solution of a differential equation. So you should to be remember that a differential equation, the solution of differential equation will be a function. Solution of differential equation should be a function. Will be a function. we have a differential equation y prime plus 2y is equal to 0, this is my differential equation, and we have also given that the solution of this differential equation is a function and which is y is equal to e power minus 2x. So check it whether this is the solution of this differential equation or not. If this is the solution of this differential equation, so it must be satisfy this differential equation. If it's not, so it will not satisfy this equation. So check it either it's a solution or not. So in my differential equation, here is y and its first derivative. So take y is equal to e power minus 2x, and my y prime is basically d by dx of e power minus 2x. So y prime will be equal to e power minus 2x and derivative of minus 2x. So my y prime is equal to minus 2 into e power minus 2x. So this is my derivative, first derivative of this function which is given the solution of differential equation. Now put the value of y and y prime in my equation 1. So we are getting minus 2 e power minus 2x plus 2 and y is e power minus 2x is equal to 0. So simply it will cancel each other. So yes, this is the solution of a differential equation. If you have to solve another example by verifying that either it's a solution of a differential equation or not, so we have an example that if you have a differential equation y double prime minus y is equal to 0, and we have given a function which is y is equal to c e power minus x, and check it that this function is a solution of differential equation or not. So this is my equation number 2, and we have a function y is equal to c e power minus x. Take its derivative, y prime is equal to d by dx e power minus x. So y prime is simply minus e power minus x. Take another derivative, so d power dx, and simplifying this equation because it's simple derivative, and you also learn the techniques or the main formula which is related to the derivative. So simply you have learned this derivative in your calculus subject. So y double prime is equal to minus into e power minus x. So y double prime is equal to e power minus x. So put this value in the equation number 1, y double prime and y, we are getting e power minus x minus e power minus, okay, sorry, we have to, here is c, so also we have putting c's over here. Sorry, I have to not mention. So c power minus 6 and c power minus 6 is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to 0. So yes, this is the solution of that differential equation. Okay, thank you. If you have